What?
That is a powerful way to start your speech. But hey, maybe that's a little bit too extreme for now. If that's the case, here are 7 proven hooks you can use to start your next speech. First hook, surprising statement. 70. The average person will eat around 70 insects while sleeping. Today, ladies and gentlemen, you will learn how to keep your home free of insects. Second hook, Paul. Quick show of hands. Who of you likes pineapple on pizza? Okay. Who of you thinks that pineapple on pizza is a crime? Okay. And who of you has no freaking clue what I'm talking about? Okay. Third hook, quote. As the grand Shakespeare said, to swipe right or to swipe left? That's the question. Fourth hook, imaginary world. Imagine yourself in your favorite coffee shop, sitting on this big comfy couch, coffee in your hand. You're smelling the aroma of that freshly brewed coffee. You take a sip and you feel the warm liquid entering your body. You feel at peace. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk about how can we create that same customer experience in our company. Fifth hook, the silence. Welcome, everyone. Hook number 6, the question. If you could choose a superpower, what would it be? Seventh hook, the story. A few days ago, I went to the park to have my lunch. And I found this perfect spot, beautiful, cozy spot. I laid down my blanket and I took out this delicious sandwich. But before I could take a single bite, this little raccoon swooped in and snatched it right from my hands. Immediately I jumped up and started chasing after the raccoon. We zigzagged through all the hills, through the trees, through the bushes, but it just wasn't quick enough. With one last mischievous look, the raccoon looked back and then just disappeared into the trees. Storytelling is the single most effective technique to grab everyone's attention. But I guess can be a little bit challenging when you're just starting off. If that's the case, you may want to check out this next video in which you'll learn how to structure any of your stories. Enjoy.